Good morning, guys. Welcome back. I hope you're all doing really well today. So in today's video, we are doing a Christmas speed clean, and I've been waiting about a week to do today's video. I went to B&M and picked up a bunch of new Christmas cleaning products, and is there anything better than Christmas cleaning products? I don't think so. I love getting the house nice and festive and just smelling nice and festive as well. So I did go ahead and buy a few bits for today's video. So that's all I'm going to be using throughout the house is just Christmas scented goodies. So I really hope that you enjoy this one. Do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave today's video a thumbs up and let's just jump on straight into it. Okay, so once I had the dishwasher all done, it was time to go ahead and do the sink, and I picked up this new Minky. How cute is that? I actually haven't seen that design before, so I really like that one. I've also got the new Flash in the frosted berries, and then I already had those wipes. So I'm going to go in using the wipes to start with, just to get rid of any like crumbs and stuff off of the sink, and then I can go in and give it a good scrub over with my Minky and the Flash spray. So next I'm going to go in and just wipe down all the sides quickly with that Flash spray as well. Honestly, it smells so nice, and I'm going to go in and do like the stove and everything as well, and then we can move on and do all of the drawers and the cupboards, and yeah, just get everything super fresh and clean and smelling super Christmassy. I'm sure you've seen me do this a million times, so I'm going to go ahead and fill the sink with some hot water and Zoflora. I'm using Winter Spice. It smells insane, and I'm just going to go over all of my cupboards and drawers and everything, just disinfect everything whilst making it smell insane. So I shared this toilet fizz stuff in my previous video. I bought it off of TikTok, but it's not just for toilets. Obviously that's what it's made for, but it's really good to just go in drains, to deblock things, to just make them smell really nice. And we do have a bit of a problem with our sink. It does tend to get a little bit stinky sometimes, and I don't really know why. So I thought I would pop that down, and it just helps everything sort of clear out and smell lush. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead now and do some washing, and I've been dying to use this new combo and it smells incredible. I'm going to say that so many times throughout this video, but you can see I'm just constantly smelling it. I can't get enough of it, and honestly it made our washing smell amazing. So yeah, definitely recommend that combination. Actually can't tell you how excited I am to finally have a mop. I've wanted a spin mop for ages, and we saw this one in B&M. I think it was about £27, something like that, which I thought was an absolute bargain, so we got that. And then I also picked up the Flash all-purpose Sugar Plum Delight floor cleaner. So hopefully that smells nice. I haven't actually smelt it yet. I've been waiting to use all of these Christmassy products for over a week now, I think, because I've been waiting to film this video. But yeah, super excited to get this out. Hopefully it's as good as I think it's gonna be, and we can crack on and do the floors.
Everything is calm, now it's midnight. Everybody's sleeping, all is peace. And I'm still hanging round in a house that's filled with lights, walking through a midnight wonderland. The wise men keeping watch, now it's midnight. And though it's cold outside, we're staying warm. And the star will always shine, it's the season for all time, walking in our midnight wonderland. The fuss and hustle of yesterday's gone. Now let us focus on the holidays, having fun, coming together with the family and friends. A gift that's heaven sent, is heaven sent to you and me. Now the wise man keeping watch while it's midnight, and though it's cold outside.
I love this Febreze Air Mist. I have it in quite a few different scents. This is the orange and cinnamon. And again, you probably know that those are my favourite scents. I love orange and mandarin scents for the house. And adding the cinnamon, giving it a bit of spice for the season. I just love that. It's really warm and just festive. And yeah, I love it. So definitely recommend that one. But now downstairs is done. I didn't really need to do too much in the front room. So I can now head on upstairs, change the bed in, do all the things, the dust in, the hoovering, and just get the bedroom nice and cozy.
In our midnight wonderland, walking through a midnight wonderland. Christmas is coming, start sending your letters off to Santa.
So as you can see, I'm watching Freya in the background. I love her videos. I watch all of them, especially this time of year. I love watching people's Christmas vlogs and like holiday hauls, just all the festive goodness. I love it. And I thought it would be a nice idea to share in the comments what other YouTube channels you watch, just in case some of us haven't heard of them. I thought it would be a really nice idea just to spread the joy, go and support other channels, subscribe, like, share, and yeah, just share the love. So go ahead and let me know who you're currently watching on YouTube down in the comments below.
Tell all your brothers, sisters, mama, and papa too.
to the end of today's video. I really hope that you've enjoyed it. I hope it's given you lots of Christmas cleaning motivation, as well as some new cleaning products that you might not have tried yet. Let me know down in the comments if you have a favourite. Don't forget to subscribe, leave today's video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys back here in my next one.